Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve WhatsApp out of date error. To know how to fix WhatsApp out of date error, you should just go to settings like this. We will click here, settings. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp and you will enter. After that, in this page you will go to force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will go to clear cache, and then you will go to clear data, and after all that you can turn off your phone. That you can know how to fix WhatsApp out of date error. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.